Welcome to the video. Today we are going to solve power set. In this question, we are given the input string and we have to return all possible subsequences of this string in a lexicographical sorted order. So first of all, what is subsequence? Subsequence is a part of string without relatively changing the relative order of the characters of the string, but we can remove zero or more characters or even less characters also, which means C in all the possible subsequences given in the output of example 1, either 1 or 2 or none of the characters have been removed from the string, input string, and a new string is formed. But the relative order of all the subsequences is same. Even if you see here in the B, they have removed A and C from the start and end, and B is in the middle, so it is here also. Similarly, afterwards, it is B and C, BC. They have removed A from the starting, but the relative order of B and C is maintained. So this is subsequence, and we have to return in a lexicographically sorted order. I will do this question using recursion. First of all, I will create an empty list to store all the possible subsequences, and I will store the result, sorry, length of the given input string. And I will create a utility function which will hold the current character at which I have to calculate or form the uh, subsequence and the current substring, and how I will be passing as an argument. So initially I will start with the character 0, index 0. That is why I have passed 0 when it is argument. Now the first condition, if there is a character in the current, then append this character in the result variable. If there is a current substring, okay, if the current substring is not empty, append it to the result list. And from the base condition again, if I greater than equal to n, which means we are at the current position of ours, we have exceeded the length of string. N is the length of the string, total length of the string. And if we have exceeded the total length of the string by position I, current position I, then we have, you know, exceeded, went out of the string and will return nothing. We just return out and will return nothing. But if that's not the case, this is not the case, I will say, in such condition, I will calculate the subsequence for the remaining substring part, remaining characters of the string, recursively k plus 1 because I was already on k position and I already had current, but this time I will add the kth character of the string. I will add kth character of the string. So until here, we have passed the argument, we have given the parameters also, we have calculated and populated all the subsequence possible subsequences in the result list. Now we have to return in a lexicographically sorted order. Hence, I will sort our sorted, and this should do a job. I will submit it and check how far we have came. And yeah, it did. It does the job. It does the job pretty effortlessly in very less time. So I hope you learned a new concept and enjoyed the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.